India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi travels abroad, he doesn't just carry India's diplomatic agenda. He brings with him the heart of India's rich cultural heritage. With every visit, the gifts he offers world leaders are more than just tokens. They are symbols of India's diversity and craftsmanship. On his recent visits to Nigeria, Brazil and Guyana, the Prime Minister presented unique gifts from every corner of India. Here's a closer look at the treasures that carried India's legacy abroad. Maharashtra. From Kolhapur, a silver Panchamrit Kalash was gifted to Nigeria's president, showcasing a stunning example of traditional craftsmanship. Tribal Worli paintings originating from the Worli tribe in Maharashtra's Dahanu, Talassa regions were presented to Brazil's president and also included in customized gift hampers for CARICOM leaders. Maharashtra's offerings also included a natural roughed amethyst with silver camel head from Pune, gifted to Australia's Prime Minister. Additionally, a hand-carved silver chess set with traditional designs was presented to Portugal's Prime Minister. An exquisite silver candle stand to Italy's Prime Minister, and a hand-engraved silver fruit bowl featuring intricate depictions of a peacock and tree was given to the Secretary General of CARICOM. Jammu and Kashmir. The vibrant culture of the Union Territories shone through a papier-mâché gold work vase presented to the UK Prime Minister. A pashmina shawl in a papier-mâché box was gifted to Guyana's First Lady, while Kashmiri saffron enriched the CARICOM gift hampers. Rajasthan. The gift from the state included a silver photo frame with floral work highlighting the state's rich heritage of detailed metalwork and traditional motifs, which was presented to Argentina's president. Additionally, a marble inlay work crafted from base marbles sourced from Makrana was gifted to Norway's Prime Minister. A gold work wooden Raj Savari figurine, a beautiful representation of traditional Indian craftsmanship, combining intricate gold work with finely carved wood, was presented to Guyana's Prime Minister. Andhra Pradesh. The state's gifts included a silver clutch purse studded with semi-precious stones and handcrafted with intricate floral motif designs presented to the spouse of Brazil's president. Additionally, Araku coffee, grown by indigenous communities in the Araku Valley, was included in customized gift hampers for leaders of CARICOM countries. Jharkhand. A Sarai painting from Hazaribagh, known for its depiction of animals, birds, and nature, reflecting the agrarian lifestyle and reverence for wildlife in tribal culture, was given to Nigeria's vice president. Additionally, a Khovar painting, a traditional art form from Jharkhand's tribal region, was presented to Indonesia's president. These gifts represent the cultural diversity of Jharkhand. Now, other highlights also included a traditional Tanjore painting from Tamil Nadu, which was gifted to France's president. From Bihar, a Madhubani painting representing Mithila's rich traditional heritage was gifted to Guyana's president. Now, these gifts are more than just cultural items. They are a testament to India's incredible diversity and talent. And through these exchanges, Prime Minister Modi reinforces the message that India's culture is as vast as its aspirations.